Hi everyone, this YouTube playlist is a series of videos that go over all of the Whippet features. Along with these videos, there's a full text documentation for the add-on where you can learn more about the features and workflows in order to create storyboards in Previs and Blender. The videos do show the latest versions of Whippet, which are used in Blender 5.0 and 5.1. If you are using Blender 4.5, the latest version for Whippet that you should be using is version 1.40. This has all of the latest features from version 2.0 for Blender 5.0 and up. However, it does not include the Story Tools update that came with Blender 5.0, where you can utilize scene strips for real-time editing. If you have any questions on how to use the add-on or have any bugs to report, please join the Discord where you can report all these things. So if you have the documentation open, you can follow along with these videos that are also embedded inside the documentation. For those of you who have purchased Whippet, I really appreciate the support. This tool has grown to have a lot more features than I initially planned, but it's all for the best. And for those who have not purchased Whippet, you can still follow along in these videos where you'll learn how the add-on actually works in case you're interested. But I also cover some workflows and processes that might be helpful even if you aren't using the add-on.